Welcome to Tinker's Corner. This is the Northwest filling station, just at the entrance of Tinker's Corner. This is one of the biggest filling stations in Enugu State, and Tinker's Corner is just off the Enugu abakaliki expressway. Tinker's Corner is a neighborhood that is very close to the airport and is right in between New Heaven, Apapa Junction, Transikulu, and the airport, the Enugu airport. And so you can actually pass through this road to the airport. Tinker's Corner is one of the most exciting places right now to invest in Enugu. If you're looking for an investment property, or you're looking for a location where you can have a very good high return on your investment, then you should think Tinker's Corner. Now, the beauty of this place is the serenity and the power supply. This area uses the airport line, like that's the airport electricity line, and so the supply of electricity here is very high. To the left on this road is Godfrey Okoye University, which is one of the biggest private universities in Enugu and is right here in Tinker's Corner. Along this road, which is the old MNL road, right, or the old airport road, is where you can see a number of plazas and business locations popping up here. And along this road, a plot of land is going for between 25 million to 35 million, depending on the size of the property, but a plot goes for that amount. The thing about Tinker's Corner is that most of the lands come with a C of O. Okay, so you can rest assured, so long as you've done your due diligence, that your investment is good. But the streets or the roads, that's the roads off this particular main road, you can get land or plots of land from between 20 million, say between 15 million to 20 million, depending on the exact location the land is for a plot of land. Now, it's interesting to note that rental value here is quite reasonable, as a 2-bedroom flat within this area goes for averagely 1 million naira per year. Alright, like you can see that block of flats to the left there. So long as you built it beautifully, like the finishing is fine, it goes for within 1 million. Then a 3-bedroom flat for rent this area goes from 1.2 million to 1.5 million naira. So you see, it's a very good return on your investment. Very good return on your investment. So call us now on 0809 737. We'll bring you to Tinker's Corner. We'll show you the plots of land available, and you can as well invest if you're looking for a property you can buy for commercial use, either for plazas, for a hotel, or for a block of flats. Thank you for watching. Enjoy a fantastic day, and bye for now.